Access the faculty grade entry page by logging into my IUP. Under the Academics tab, locate the Grade Management box and select the Enter Grades link. To export a roster, click on the class in which you want to export for. Here you can see all the students that are registered. You could enter the grades here one by one if you wanted to. To export a roster, click the gear icon at the top by your name and choose Export Template. Choose an Excel spreadsheet format for the template to export into, then click Export. Here you can see the grade roster with all the same columns you see in the faculty grade entry. The final grade column is where you can enter a grade for each student. Remember, if you enter an end grade, to include the last date of attendance. After entering all grades, save the spreadsheet on your local computer, perhaps on your desktop for easy access. To upload your file, go back into faculty grade entry and open the class back up. Click on the gear icon next to your name and select Import. To find the file you just saved, click the Browse button, search for the saved file, then click Upload. Now select Continue. Now you can prove that each grade was assigned to the student. Note that the header from the spreadsheet roster matches the header here. If you choose a different header on your spreadsheet, you will have to map it differently. This is where you can map different columns if you used a different spreadsheet. To view which grades were not brought in correctly, click the Download the Validation Report link. It will not be brought in with the roster, but the records without errors will populate with no problems. Just correct the errors and it will populate like the other ones did. Click Continue and Finish. You can now go back into your class and see that the grades are entered. Non-valid grades will appear blank. You will need to correct this by manually inputting a grade using the drop-down arrow or re-import for multiple errors.